Hello everyone. Today's topic of discussion is the future of banking in India. The future of banking in India holds tremendous promise and potential as the industry undergoes rapid transformation. It is being shaped by the transition from traditional brick and mortar banking to digitalization, with mobile and online banking gaining popularity and revolutionizing the way customers engage with financial services. So guys, in this video, let us explore the major trends shaping the future of banking in India and examine the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead for banks operating in this dynamic landscape. Now let us see the major trends shaping the future of banking in India. First is digitalization. The rise of mobile and online banking is changing the way customers interact with banks. Banks need to invest in digital technology to keep up with changing needs. Then is fintechs. Innovative financial startups known as fintechs are using technology to offer more convenient and affordable financial products and services, forcing traditional banks to innovate and offer their own digital services. Third point is open banking, a regulatory framework that allows banks to share customer data with third-party financial service providers, enabling customers to access their financial information from a single platform and choose the best products and services for their particular needs. Fourth point is regulatory changes. Changes aimed at making the banking system more secure and efficient, such as the introduction of the account aggregator framework and RBI's guideline on digital lending. Then is the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Banks are using AI and machine language to automate tasks, improve customer services, and make better lending decisions. Then is the increasing importance of data analytics. Banks are using data analytics to gain insights into customer behavior, identify trends, and make better business decisions. Then is financial inclusion. Indian banking sector is making significant progress in promoting financial inclusion, with more and more Indians gaining access to basic financial services. According to the World Bank, the financial inclusion rate in India is expected to reach 85% by the end of 2023. And the last point is privatization of banks. The privatization of state-owned banks in India is expected to bring in new technologies and business practices, increase competition, and potentially lead to consolidation in the banking sector. Now let us see the positives. First is growing economy. The Indian economy is growing at a rapid pace. This is creating new opportunities for banks to grow their businesses. The growing economy will also lead to an increase in demand for loans, which will benefit banks. Then is strong government support. The Indian government is supportive of the banking sector. The government has implemented a number of initiatives to support the banking sector, including providing capital and reducing regulatory burden. This support will help the banking sector to grow and thrive. Third point is large customer base. India has a large population of over 1.3 billion people. This provides a large customer base for banks to tap into. The large customer base will help banks to grow their business and generate revenue. Another positive is sound regulatory body. Indian banking and security sector are well positioned to withstand future challenges, as was demonstrated recently when IMF praised RBI for its handling of the Indian banking sector during the US rate hike, COVID-19 pandemic, Russia-Ukraine war, and supply chain disruptions. Now let us see the challenges. First is cybersecurity. With the banking sector being a prime target for cyber attacks, banks must invest in robust cybersecurity measures to protect their customers' data. Another challenge is privatization of banks. Privatization of state-owned banks is likely to lead to increased competition in the banking sector. Banks will need to find ways to compete with private banks. One more challenge is climate change. Climate change is a major threat to the Indian economy. The effects of climate change, such as droughts and floods, could lead to financial losses for banks. Fourth challenge is increased volatility in the financial markets. The recent geopolitical changes have led to increased volatility in the financial markets. This volatility can make it difficult for banks to manage their risk and can lead to losses. Then is falling trade and investment. The recent geopolitical changes have also led to falling trade and investment. This can reduce the amount of money that is available to banks to lend and can make it more difficult for businesses to grow. Last but not the least challenge is rising inflation. The global inflation rate has been increasing, and if solutions to recent geopolitical changes are not found soon, it may continue to rise for a prolonged period. As a consequence, banks may experience higher borrowing costs, which could reduce the funds available for lending to their customers. Overall, the future of banking in India is undergoing a significant transformation driven by digitalization, fintech innovation, and open banking. These trends present immense opportunities for banks to improve customer experiences and promote financial inclusion. However, there are also challenges that banks need to address. By embracing these trends and effectively navigating the challenges, banks can position themselves for success in the evolving landscape of Indian banking. Thank you for watching. Comment below what are your opinion on this topic, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more hot topics like this.